Hi, I'm Becca Alexis Horton, and I've been on Poshmark since summer 2013. I started Poshmark for the very specific reason of needing cash flow. I had a great closet, tons of fabulous things. The previous year, I spent almost $9,000 at Zara. So trust me when I said I had tons of good stuff, good quality that I was ready to sell at a good price. And Poshmark enabled me to build a cash flow business that's worked great for myself and great for my family. I sold beautiful things at good prices. I understood that I have competition out there. Big retailers are slashing prices all the time. And there were other people on Poshmark that were selling things just as good. So from the very beginning of my Poshmark days, I started off with competitive pricing. I wanted to build a following, build trust, and get recommendation. I wanted Poshers to tell other people, hey, this girl has great things and she's selling them at really good prices. Check her out. That has helped me substantially to build my brand and make money on Poshmark. Also, what has helped me make money on Poshmark is selling a variety of merchandises: snakeskin shoes, cloth shoes, 3-inch heels, kitten heels, sneakers, the whole nine. Winter season and places that only have one season. I cater to it all. Working as a stylist and a fashion industry expert for many years, I had learned to shop for people that didn't necessarily have my sense of style. They had a great style, and being able to cater to that person, I translated that into Poshmark. I buy a variety, I sell a variety, I cater to more people. That has helped me make a lot of money. I also understand that people don't dress high fashion head to toe or low fashion head to toe. They might have a $500 Tory Burch bag, but they're wearing, $20 Steve Madden shoes with it. That's how we dress. A little bit of this, a little high, a little low, a little vintage. And I definitely have crafted my closet to look this way so that I could sell to more people. I live fashion. I eat fashion. I'm constantly researching. I keep my eyes on the trend, what people are into. And Poshmark also does a great job letting us know what the trends are, what people are buying, what they're not buying. So I pay attention to the entire fashion news cycle so that I could precisely provide the right kind of products to my clients, and also making sure that I'm making money in that process too, making sure that I'm buying things that I know that's going to sell. I add listings consistently. Every single day I'm adding listings. And I found out that a lot of retailers such as Fashion Nova, Zara, H&M that are very successful, it's because they're constantly adding listings. They're constantly adding new products. You're getting people to look back into your closet. You're refreshing it. You're refreshing your boutique. That has helped me a lot tremendously. And Poshmark is being very consistent with it. Not only am I consistent with the adding listings, I'm also consistent with the sharing. Sharing is a lot of work, but it's also marginally less than the amount of money you would spend in marketing and promotion if you had your own site. And that's why I love Poshmark. They make it so easy to make money. Thanks so much for watching my video, and check you again soon.